Good morning, students. In last lecture of number system, I discussed the basic idea about different number system like decimal number system, binary number system, octal and hexadecimal number system. Today I am going to discuss the addition, subtraction, multiplication in any number system or in any base without converting the base of that number system into decimal number system. So in today's lecture, I am going to discuss the addition in any base number system, subtraction in any base number system, and multiplication in any base number system. So I start with addition in any base number system without converting its base into decimal. So here, first of all, for addition, here I take two numbers. One number is 4325 and second number is 404. And these two numbers are in radix 6 or base 6. Okay. Without converting these base into decimal, we add these two numbers in radix 6. So first of all, I explain this thing in radix 6. In radix 6, counting start from 0 and goes up to 5. In last lecture, we already discussed this thing. Counting always start from 0 and goes up to radix minus 1. So here counting start from 0 and goes up to radix minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay. After that, if I want to write anything in radix 6, so in radix 6, 6 represent, in radix 6 represent with 1 0, 7 represent with 1 1, 8 represent with 1 2, 9 represent with 1 3, 10 represent with 1 4 and 11 represent with 1 5. Very simple logic. आप क्या कीजिएगा? Simply you write 0 to 5 digit because this is the radix 6 and simply put 1 in front of these numbers. Okay. After 1 5, if you want to write in radix 6, so simply write again 0 1 2 3 4 5 and in front of these numbers you simply write 2. Okay, so this is the simplest way for writing the counting in any number system. Okay, so now we add these two numbers in radix 6. So see here, first of all 5 in radix 6 because we know in radix 6 counting start from 0 and goes up to 5. So 5 plus 4, we know 5 plus 4 is a 9 in decimal. But in radix 6 there is no 9. But we know in radix 6 how we represent 9. So see here, in radix 6 this 1 0 represent, this 1 0 represent the 6. This 1 0 represent the 6. Similarly, this 1 1 represent the 7. This 1 2 represent the 8. 1 3 represent 9. 1 4 represent 10. 1 5 11 and so on. 6 7 8 9 10 in decimal. 1 0 1 1 1 2 is in base 6. So 5 plus 4 is 9, we know. And what is the representation of 9? 9 representation is 1 3. So I write here 3 and carry is 1. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 3 plus 1, 4 is 7. And you know in radix 6, maximum single digit is only 5. So how we represent 7? So 7 representation is 11. So here I write 7 representation is 1 1. So here carry is 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. So this answer is in radix 6. See here na, maximum digit is 5 because in radix 6 counting start from 0 and goes up to only 5. So this is the addition of two number in any base without converting the base into decimal. Now I explain the subtraction. So here I take two number 4325 and 404. Now I subtract. So 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. There is no problem. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now 3 minus 4 is not possible because 3 is less than 4. So here I take one borrow. So here I take one borrow. So here is 3. So I take one borrow. So this one borrow signifies how much? So always remember, in subtraction, whenever we take one borrow, this borrow is equal to the radix. This borrow is equal to the radix or base. This borrow is equal to the radix or base. Here what is the radix? 6. So this 1 equal to 6. This 1 equal to how much? 6. So here 3 plus 6, because this 1 equal to 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. I repeat again. Whenever we take one borrow, this borrow is equal to the radix or base of the number system. So here radix is 6. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. So here this is 5. Then write 3 as it is. So in subtraction, always remember, whenever we take borrow, that borrow is equal to the radix of the number system. Okay. For example, here I take one more example. If I write this number, see, if I write this number, for example, this 231 in decimal, I explain simple this thing, 1, 4 and here 0. Okay. This number is in decimal. So how you subtract? Simple logic. Actually, we already studied this thing in class nursery, but I explain again this thing. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 4 is not possible. So here I take one borrow. So one borrow from this side. But this borrow is equal to how much? This borrow is equal to 10, because this borrow is equal to the radix of the number. Okay, so 10. So 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. And here 0. So always remember, whenever we take borrow, that borrow is equal to the radix of the number system. So this is about the subtraction in any number system without converting its base into decimal. Now next, multiplication. So here I take two numbers and I multiply these two numbers. And multiplication is based on addition. So here I multiply these two numbers. So see, 2 into 5 is 10. 2 5s are 10 in decimal. But this is radix 6. So how we represent 10? So I already told you, this represents 6. This one is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. So 10 in decimal is represented by 1 4 in base 6. So here I write 1 4 and carries 1. Then 2 multiply 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 is in radix 6. 2 3s are 6. So in radix 6, 6 represent with 1 0. So carry is 1. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So how we represent 9? How we represent this 9? So 9 represent with 1 3. I repeat again. See here, I repeat again. 2 5s are 10. 10 represent with 1 4. So carry is 1. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Then 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 represent with 1 0. So carry is 1. Then 2 4s are 8. And 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 represent with 1 3. Now next, 0 multiplication. So 0 0 0. Then next, 4 5s are 20. So how we represent 20 in decimal, in radix 6? So this is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So see, 4 5s are 20. 20 in decimal represent in base 6 by 3 2. So here 1 2 3 2, carry is 3. Then 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, 3 is carry now. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 is represented by 1 5. Carry is 1. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. Carry is 1. So that is 13. 13 representation is 2 1. 13 representation is 2 1. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 representation is 3 0. 18 representation is 3 0. Now I add these. 4. This is 5. Correct. This is 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. But 8 is not represented by basic digits of base 6. So 8 representation is represented with 1 2. So here I write 1 2 and carry is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 0 3. So this is the multiplication in radix 6 without converting its base. In case of any query, any doubt, you message me. Okay, if you like this video, so please subscribe and like and comment also. Okay, so please solve this question. In case of any query, please message me. Thank you. In next lecture we will discuss the conversion of number system, decimal to any base and any base to decimal number system. Thank you, students.